Look at those giant anchors. The chances of us not getting pooped on are low. Oh yeah, there's a bald eagle nest way up to the top. Plenty for him to feed on down here. Oh man, look at the hole in that side. You could just hear the seagull poop raining around us. If one of us had French fries, we'd be dead. Oh, there's so much poop landing around us.
Take cover!
Oh. I kind of want to go in here and explore, but birds tend to have fleas and lice, and there's just tons of crap on the ground. I'm so afraid if I go in there, I'm going to end up with fleas in my pants. I don't want that so badly. Oh, what did you eat? That was huge.
This is an ill question for birds.
You know, my dad was attacked by seagulls once. Yeah, they broke his fishing rod.
Us right now.
Yeah, they are so bombing us. So yeah, there's the drive shaft right there. I bet the propeller's over here. That is a big ship. If you guys are gonna look up in the sky, keep your mouth closed. Oh, look at that. There's a nest. Ah, there's the propeller.